DHAI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at DIH Holdings. I see a 34 cents level price with 5% increases. Totally fair, totally reasonable. Mainly, I just want to look at the broader picture and just kind of understand where we typically are. Look at the macro point. Totally fair, it's bearish for sure. I mean, having done well over 37,000 videos and so many receipts in the Discord, for me, it's just sticking to the basic. Now, I know most of the people are looking at this for potential 2, 3, 4, 5x, 10x maybe, and I get it. But for me, it's like such a bearish range, and yeah, the only thing that makes sense for me is potentially only start looking to take things up the moment I start seeing either first breaks above 48 cents or like there's a big catalyst. Other than that, it's just not worth it for me, at least, to short sell or even buy at the current moment, since it's not volatile enough, one, and the rules are not met. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.